What's up everyone, ggkickzz here. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in again. Today we're going to be reviewing the Air Jordan 13 Hyper Royale. This actually stemmed from Jordan Players exclusive edition that they made for the player Quentin Richardson back in the day. So today is a brand new rendition. You guys already know, for us, we get the less quality version than the actual PE itself, but nonetheless, it is a very dope shoe. So let's regular Air Jordan 13 box in this nice silver finish, retailing for 190. These shoes released on December 19th, 2020, right at the end of the year. All right, guys, so taking a first look at the shoe, you guys can see that it really is a good looking shoe and it shares a lot of things with the Bred 13. Although one thing you guys may notice is that this tongue right here is this suede nubuck material on the tongue going all the way down to the toe box. That is usually a leather tongue that they put on these, but for some reason they went with the suede, which doesn't really make it a big deal. It's just there's not a lot of leather on this shoe, so it makes it lightweight since the mesh and the suede. So basically the shoe is made up of this mesh on the top and this synthetic suede wrapping around the whole shoe in the Hyper Royale colorway. So it's very similar to the Bred 13, but they mainly drew inspiration from the Quentin Richardson PE. That was never really released to the public. It was only his, so they decided to give the public a version with the Jumpman on the tongue and less quality. Of course, it's always going to be lesser quality for the public. Basically, his had the blacked out bottom as well. Well, it had the Hyper Royale color, but it had the white pods in black. But overall, it's a very dope shoe. So let's take a closer look now into the materials, into the quality, and then we're gonna wrap it up and tell you guys my opinions, resale value, everything like that. So make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. So let's take a deeper look now. Okay, so here we are taking a look at the box. Air Jordan 13 black / Hyper Royale. You guys already know the deal. $190 for the retail price. These released on December the 19th of 2020. Basically a holiday release. Nice blue, give it that festive vibes. Here's a closer look at the hologram. You guys see that 23 Jumpman on there. The mesh is just mesh. There's really nothing much to say about that, although it is 3M reflective. Then you got your nice Hyper Royale coming down in suede all around the shoe, wrapped up around the midsole as well. It's a very nice touch on the Air Jordan 13s. I would never get enough of it. Coming around the toe box, you got this cheap leather. I'm not gonna lie, this toe box is not that great quality, and you don't actually have leather coming up the tongue. You have this nice synthetic suede coming up the tongue with your Hyper Royale Jumpman on the tip of the tongue. Oval laces like in the Jordan 13s as always. You got your little Jordan tab with the Jordan logo on it. Side of the shoe looks pretty much the same. On the outsole here, you have your nice Hyper Royale and your white traction pods. On the Q Rich PE, these were black, but on here they're white. I actually like this version more. It's kind of like the Bred 13 as well. This is red and then white and black. And you have another hologram down here with the Jumpman on it and your carbon fiber on some of the pods for more durability on your outsole. There's very dope touches on this shoe all around. Definitely a strong buy for the holiday season. All right, guys, so I'm going to share with you guys my final thoughts on this Air Jordan 13. I'm going to be rating this shoe an 8.5 out of 10. It really is a dope shoe. It really is a dope concept. The black and blue, they did a very good job. The suede isn't as bad as on the Lucky Greens. If you guys watched my video earlier this year with that, they use really bad quality suede on that one. This one seems to be more softer, is not bleeding on the rest of the materials like that was. So that's a thumbs up on Jordan's part right there. All right, so my resale prediction is this is going to be a $230 shoe for a couple months until it goes up to $300. I believe it's going to reach $300 in about 6 to 8 months, maybe 10, depending on how the economy goes. The Bred 13 is sitting at around $400, depending on the size. $370 to $400, but that is an OG colorway, even though this one is black and blue, kind of like a royal colorway like on the Jordan 1s if you want to compare the two. So I do see these going up in value. a lot over the years, maybe 30% less than what the Bred is right now. If you guys made it this far into the video, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, press that like button, that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. You know the vibes.